This video will help you understand how to use the website exam.net to appear for your exam. Every exam has a unique exam key and it will be shared with you through Teams. Copy the exam key or make a manual note of it and then go to the website. This is the default view of exam.net. Type the exam key or paste it here and click on Next. In the box that appears, choose Continue in this browser. Type in your first name, last name, your class and section, and the 3-digit WBS number. Click on Fetch the exam. The box that appears now will ask you to begin the exam. If it does not appear on your screen, wait until it appears and then click on Begin Exam. This is the screen which shows your question paper and the writing area. They are separated by a yellow bar. Click on the question paper and scroll down to read through all the questions. You can increase or decrease the size of your writing area by moving the yellow bar. You also have the option of side-by-side view where your question paper appears on the left-hand side and your answer space appears on the right-hand side. Read the instructions. If you're required to type in your answers in the writing area, do so. Let's look at the options on the left-hand panel on this screen. Show exam is the default view, scan solution, teacher chat, and submit exam. Below all of these, you have a duplication of the clock on your system and duplication of the status of the battery of your system. Use teacher chat to communicate with the invigilator. Remember, this is the only means of communication during the exam. Type in your question and send it by pressing enter. The teacher will receive it in real time and answer your query. Click on Submit Exam once you've finished your paper. The system will prompt you to choose Submit Exam again just to be sure. The security standards of exam.net ensure that you will not be able to navigate to any other window or screen while the exam is on. In case you press Escape or Alt-Tab, you will be locked out of the exam. This white box will appear on the screen and it will ask you to provide an explanation. Type in a valid reason and click on Request Unlock. Your teacher will receive your request and it will be up to the teacher to unlock the exam for you and allow you back in. To upload handwritten solutions, click on Scan Solution. A QR code will appear on your screen. On your mobile, click on the QR scanner app and point your mobile to the screen of your device. When the QR code is read, your mobile will ask you to open browser. Click on Open Browser and it will take you to exam.net website on your mobile. There it will prompt you to scan the solution. Scan your written solution and upload the image. When you upload the image, your device will show that the image is being uploaded. Meanwhile, you'll also receive a code on your mobile which you need to type on the device and confirm that the picture that you need to upload is the one which shows on your screen. Click OK and go to Show Exam to see where the picture has been placed. Once you've finished your exam, click on Submit Exam and that's about it.